Okay, as requested, here are a few extra examples of rise over run. Now, the thing is when you are doing a problem like this, it doesn't matter if they give you points or you have to find points. When you're looking for points, you're looking at where the exact cross section is so you can get an exact point. So we're given a point here, but you can see that doesn't hit in the corner there or there, but it does there. And actually, if we keep looking, this is another valid point too. So if the issue is that you can't find the points, that's one way to find the points. Now, if we're looking for rise over run, that's your up, down, and your left, right from the point, not from the origin. So you pick any point you want. So you can pick this one, or this one. And then once you pick your point, that's where you start. So I'm going to start at this point here. And my rise is up or down to the next point. Well, if I go up, I'm closer to that point. If I go down, there's nothing there. So I'm going to go up 1, and that point is not there. So I'm going to go up another, and the point is here. So I know that the rise is positive 2 because I went up. Then I'm going to go either left, but there's no point there, or right. So I'm going to go from here 1, 2, 3. And that is the slope, 2 over 3. Okay, let's check another one. So this one here is the same thing. I can use the slope that's already, or I can use the points that are already there, or I can find a different one. But because they're already labeled, I'm just going to use them, and actually I can see that there aren't really any other points here. Now, it doesn't matter if you start here or you start there. That is sometimes another issue. It literally doesn't matter which point. It will all work out at the end. So I will start at the top. And I have to ask myself, am I going to go up or down to the next point? And I'm going to go down. So that's going to be negative 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know the top is negative 4. And then am I going to go left or am I going to go right? And I'm going to go to the right, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so that's my slope. Now, if you take a look at this one here, you might know that the slope is 0, but maybe you want to actually try doing this problem. So again, it doesn't matter which point. You could even pick this point, I mean, it doesn't matter. All right, so I'm going to use this first point here and I'm going to try and get to this point here. So do I need to go up or down any? I don't. So my top number is 0. And then I need to go to the right, 1. Well, when I type that in my calculator, I get 0, and the slope is in fact 0. We'll just do one more. So finding the slope of this line, you can go ahead and pause this and try it before I do, and then see how it goes. All right, so again, I'm going to use the points they gave me. And then it doesn't matter which point I start at. So I could start here or I could start there. I'll start here. I tend to always go, like, I read graphs from left to right. So that's kind of how I pick my point, but it doesn't matter. So from this point, do I need to go up or do I need to go down to get to the other one? I need to go down, negative 1, 2, 3. So I know that I've got negative 3 here. From here, I need to go positive, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so that is my slope. Please feel free to email me if you have any extra questions.